Hey Saints, it's Dr. Clark. First off, welcome back from your spring break. I hope you had a great week. Gosh, this is the start of a really exciting, historic week here at Holy Cross College. It's my inauguration, but it's historic because, as you know, I'm the first non-priest or brother in this role. This is a special, special weekend, and I wanted to start it off by demonstrating to the community what it means to be a saint today, and that is to be a force for good. And so right here in Ave Brew on Thursday, you have an opportunity to meet with community representatives on how you can get involved and give back in service to this great community that we live in. And it'll start off, we're going to have a blood drive in Driscoll Lounge and a COVID vaccine clinic in the File Center. You'll have an opportunity to meet with St. Vincent de Paul Society Drive and purchasing school supplies for La Casa de Amistad, especially for students that are refugee families and displaced families. And just an opportunity for us to demonstrate our commitment, our love, our belief, and service and charity as forces for good in society. So it all starts on Thursday right here in Ave Brew, 10:30 to 12:30. We hope to see you then. Hey Saints, here we are in Driscoll Auditorium. So I'm excited as a part of the full weekend of Inauguration Weekend. We want to take an opportunity to celebrate and showcase Holy Cross College and its Catholic liberal arts education. We're going to showcase student undergraduate research. We're going to learn more about the candidacy for sainthood for Brother Columba, and it's an opportunity for us to celebrate the liberal arts. In an era today where a lot of Catholic colleges and universities are shutting down on the liberal arts, at Holy Cross College, we're leaning into them. So we hope you take advantage and watch your classmates, listen and learn from your classmates, and learn more about the history that we're a part of. Throughout the day on Friday, you'll have an opportunity to come visit right here in the Vincent Atrium, where we'll have an exhibition of artwork, pieces from Core Chronicles, artwork from talented students and faculty and staff, and we're featuring artwork from our students at the Moreau College Initiative at Westville. An exciting, exciting opportunity to see the talent that's in this community. As well, at 11 o'clock, you'll have an opportunity to hear the Echoes from Notre Dame sing. Of course, we've got representation of the Echoes from right here at Holy Cross College and at St. Mary's. And then at 4:45, Dr. Albaran and a crew of students and faculty members will be playing a little rock and roll music for you in Ave Brew. And throughout the weekend, Saints, you're going to have a chance to meet our Board of Trustees who are pictured here behind me. And then on Friday night, I hope that you'll join me and our family in competition at the free carnival, complete with games and delicious food and even a slice of Texas, a mechanical bull that Mrs. Clark forbids me to get on, but you'll be able to get on it. This will all take place in the File tent outside of the File Center. After the carnival, head on over to McKenna for a free concert with Blammo. Now they're going to rock the house, and I've even put in a special request for my favorite song, Tom Sawyer by Rush. I hope you'll join us. And Saints, the pinnacle of the whole weekend of Inauguration Weekend will be the installation ceremony. It'll begin on Saturday at 10 o'clock in the morning in St. Joe Chapel, where we'll celebrate Mass together. Really a beautiful celebration, reminding us that all that we do is centered on Christ and the salvific message and the mission of the church. And then it'll be followed by lunch, and that's available to everyone at no cost. And then at 2 o'clock, the installation ceremony will occur in the File Center, and we want you to join in with the several hundred other people that will be coming to Holy Cross College for the first time in many cases. And as I talk about keeping the main thing, you are the highlight. This is a historic moment for the college, and frankly, something that may happen once in a lifetime for you. So I really do hope, for me, for my family, actually my kids, all of my grandkids are all going to be here for the very first time. I hope you get a chance to meet them and attend the installation ceremony and the reception afterwards. So that's 2 o'clock on Saturday, March 25th.